Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be making recovery media with the inbuilt system recovery partition. Now HP allows you to use a USB option, which you need a 32 gig USB or bigger for at least my DV6, because if I show you, if we go into recovery media creation, I'm just gonna do that. If we go right here, I'm gonna plug this in. So I have this formatted USB drive. So I just formatted this flash drive. And click next. See it's basically going to need a 32 gig flash drive or more. So we're going to use G in our case. So we're going to use that. It'll format the flash drive, deleting all current files on it. Do you want to continue? Yes. I don't know if you can read that, but basically this is going to go and create its recovery media. So I'm going to pause this and start a time lapse. So guys, it says it's complete, so we're going to click finish. So actually, we're going to create disks, and we're going to bypass HP's limit. So we're going to first eject the USB. First get it ejected. So here's our recovery USB. I'm going to make a backup of it later. I'm actually going to charge my phone first because it's starting to get low. It's probably 21%, so I'm going to charge up a bit. And then I'm going to show you guys how to bypass HP's limit if you have one of these older computers and you made a recovery set. I have some blank DVDs right here, which I know it's going to need like 5 DVDs, regular DVDs, so dual layers won't work in this case. I have all of these DVDs that we can use to make a second set of recovery media because why not? So we're going to bypass HP's limit in a little bit, but I'm going to actually send the computer to sleep right now. I'm going to send it to sleep, and I'm going to go charge my phone, so I will be back. Alright, so guys, I'm back after a little while. I charged up my phone to 100%. And I also went and lay down for a little while again. So we got all these recovery disks. Now I'm going to show you how to bypass the HP recovery limit. I don't know if I know looking into it a long time ago you had to delete 2 files, but I know at one point I just deleted 1. So you have to do this. I'm going to show the hidden items. This is the file we need to delete. It might work. Let's see. Ooh. Blue screen. Okay, so there's another file we need to delete. I think it's in program data. HP. That's user recovery. We need to delete this file too. Now we should be able to recover. We should be able to make the recovery another set of recovery media. So I got this blank DVD. I don't remember if this disk drive works. Well, I know it works. It's just I don't know if it still works or not. Because I used a different disk drive, if you saw in part 1, to recover the computer, because this disk drive right here does not support dual layers. So we're going to try to do this again. And fill load. It's probably initializing the disk. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. So it's gonna split the recovery. It's gonna split the base.wim file into little chunks, and it's gonna take up some of our space on our C drive for the time being. As you can see, it's so basically you're not gonna see it, but if I boot to like a PE, you will see a I'm gonna go and delete those files again after we create the recovery. I know one time, I think the last time we made recovery media, it worked fine without yeah, so we're gonna need 5 regular DVDs. Dual layers are not supported in this case, so for at least this one, so that's why I have 5 of these regular DVDs, because like you saw in the beginning of the video when I made the USB, it was like 18 gigs, so add up 4 times basically 5, you get 20. So I mean, yeah, so well, I'm going to let this split. I'm going to just time-lapse this whole process at this point. So, yeah. Alright, well guys, so disk 5 is now created. So we're going to take our disk out. I'm going to put it in here. Try not to touch it. Try not to touch the disk. Alright, and then put this like that. Alright, so we're going to click next. We're going to I'm going to make it not, so in the future if I want to make recovery media again, I can. Let's see here, Hewlett Packard, recovery, delete this, and that's it. So that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you guys receive new notifications on when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.